Hey everyone, welcome back to HowToHub. Today I'll show you how to block Meta on TikTok so you won't see ads or content from Facebook, Instagram, and other Meta-owned platforms. Let's get started. First, open TikTok and tap on the search icon. Type in Facebook and hit search. Find the official Facebook account with a blue checkmark and tap on it. Then tap the share arrow icon. Select block. Confirm by tapping block again. Now, search for Meta and repeat the steps. Tap on the verified Meta account, click Share, select Block. Next, do the same form for Instagram. Search Instagram, open the verified account, tap Share, Block, Confirm. Right now, TikTok doesn't show an official Threads account, but if one appears, you can block it the same way. And that's it. No more Meta content on your TikTok. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more TikTok tips. Thanks for watching HowToHub, and I'll see you in the next one. This keeps it clean and natural. Let me know if you need any other edits.